Hey folks, Ola here, coming at you still from Buffalo Point State Park, located in North Arkansas. So today was day 2 out here on the Buffalo River, and spider webs. And yesterday I went out in the inflatable kayak with the family, and we went south 9.5 miles. Well, today I went out by myself in Old Battle Axe, and we went upriver for about 2.5, 3 miles, and then float fished back. So let me tell you, it was definitely a workout for me going upriver. I did it. I had to walk through some of the rapids, had to walk up them. And even on one rapid, I walked down just because there were too many big rocks in there, and I did not want to take a rock in the side of Old Battle Axe and tear her up. So as far as the fishing goes, if yesterday was about quantity, today was definitely a quality day. There were no numbers. The fish were not hitting. I got a couple of sunfish early on, and then after that, it kind of died off. They weren't hitting the tube, so I switched to my Rage Craw, chopped up Rage Craw, put on a Ned rig jig, and I got a couple. I think I got 4 total Smallie and 2 sunfish. But I got my PB Smallie, and it was a doozy. It was 2 pounds 3 ounces, but what a fight. Got the whole thing on camera. Awesome release too. You'll get to see it swim away. So as much work as I had to do today, it was worth it to get that PB Smallie. Boy, oh boy, coming up, that's the river down there. And there are people way over there, they're in tubes, but coming up was, oh my God. I was about to pass out, and I had help. There were 2 of us. But it's all river rock, and it's steep, and it's long. Yeah, the launch here is so sketchy, but I did it, and mission accomplished. Great fish, some great footage. Just really peaceful day, and really enjoyed the fishing. So I don't think I'll be taking my kayak down there again. It's just too much work, but I might bank fish a couple more times while I'm here. We have 2 more days here, and then we're off to another state park here in Arkansas, and then after that I'll be up in Lake Taneycomo, Missouri for my women's weekend. Looking forward to that. Can't wait. So let's just roll today's PB Smallie fishing footage. There's one. It's a better fish. Oh Lord. Good morning, folks. It is 8:17. I'm down here on the Buffalo River. Today I'm taking Old Battle Axe out. We're going upriver first, back towards the Dillard's Ferry, and then I will drift fish my way back down here. It's 1.5 miles each way. I'm going to try to go a little past that, but we'll see. So stay tuned, and let's get on some more Smallies. We'll be pedaling and paddling because it gets shallow in some spots. So just do what we can do. Look at the deer crossing the river up there. Guys, I'm being stalked. They are following me. These smallies have a tendency to take these baits down deep, even swallow them. They must have some powerful suction because half the time the bait's bigger than them. Oh, look what I got today. Wasn't expecting that. First fish of the day. Little bluegill. Let's just let him go. Boink. Sunfish again. What's the deal, Lucille? Second fish of the day, it's the same thing. Ooh, he's got some gouge out of him. Hang on. That's 2 sunfish, 0 schmalls. All right, it's time to bring the rod in. Time to get ready to walk. All right. Come on, little native. It's an actual smallie and not a sunfish this time. Oh, he's fighting. Look at that. Little guy, too. So strong. Such a beautiful fish. Some have red eyes, some do not. Okay, they're very strong. This one has brown eyes. Oh man, I'm working. If I can just get around this. Ooh, my legs are on fire. I am barely moving. Now I'm going to try to make it over there. Whew. Hearts a pounding, guys. Okay, folks, I'm about almost 3.5 miles into paddling upriver, and fishing has been... I should have known that yesterday was just extraordinary to have so many catches, one after another. Today, so far, I've caught 2 sunfish, 1 smallie, little smallie. They just aren't taking it like they did yesterday. I've tried the same baits as yesterday. I've tried jerk bait. I've tried a suspending 3DS minnow. I haven't tried topwater, but I haven't seen any topwater busting, and plus now it's already 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna hit this point right up here and then turn around and drift back. Should be a nice easy drift, except those rapids by the Dillard's Ferry Bridge. I'm gonna have to get out. Not that I can't handle it, but if this hole hits one of those rocks that aren't very deep, we'll be done for. So yeah, I'll take a short break here and then head back. So stay with me, folks. Only the second one I've landed today. Had a few bites, but second smallie of the day. Behind the rock. Now we're just floating on down. Got my drive up. We're in a few inches of water. It will be hairy up here, but I'm gonna float for now. Moving along at a good clip. I have some rudder control, which I need to try to maintain. I don't like this red one anyways. I like a watermelon red. There we go. Little Ned rig on the, it's a fat Rage craw on a Ned rig. Figure that one out. If I had smaller craws, I'd use them. There's one. It's a better fish. Oh Lord. Oh man, guys. Oh man, that's a good fish. I'm gonna put my drive in water so I can have some control here. Good fish, good fish. Come here, you. Come here. Oh my God, look at that fish. Oh, not easy here. Had a lot of stuff going on. First pitch with that new color of... Okay, stop. Too bad I don't have a net. Biggest smallie of my life right here, guys. PB smallie. That is a good fish, friends. It's a couple pounds. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. Another look at it. Yes! Woo! Please go over, please go over. TJ got lucky there. Okay, we gotta get out from this sideways position. I can see the talking rock. Fish. Fourth smallie of the day. A red-eyed smallie. He's got a little blood from his gill.